what's up guys? Time out muna tayo dyan, Nathan here, and welcome back for another dance tutorial video. In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon yung dance routine ng Big Bank na kinoreograph ni Devon Moore and Gabriel So I put their TikTok account links in the description below. So they have a lot of great stuffs there. So you have to check it out. Okay, so before we start, I need to flip the video. Okay, so now we are in the mirrored video. So meaning if I move my right hand, yung igagalaw mo din is yung right hand mo. Parang nasa harap ka ng mirror, kapag ginalaw mo yung kanan mo parang kaliwa, pero it's a right hand. So we will do the countings again para mas madali nating makuha lalo dun sa mga beginners. So mas back to basic tayo, countings tayo. For the first 4 counts, we have extra 4 counts for the first part of the steps. First step, we will use the right hand here, so like S, S, and then S. When we do that, 1, 2. Our body is like this, 1, 2. Okay, the song is, oh, so we will do the snap, oh. That's the first 2 counts. Okay, and then the second count will be like this, ha, ha. Okay, to do that, after this, you have to move your right foot here, and then left foot here. Okay, and then together with the right foot, yung dibdib nyo is maglilin. Okay, so 1, 2. Alright, pag kinumbay natin with the hands, yung hands natin back and back. Okay, so let's start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, back again. Okay, so don't forget to lean. Here, lean, and then here. Okay, so for the next 1, 8, after here, let's do the arms first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, right. So, pag nag-right ako ng ganito, yung left ko is nandito. So, ito yung itsura niya. Okay, so 1, then 2, and then 3, side sa right, and then left. Okay, so let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, with the left here. 2, and then right, and then left. Right? Okay, so gawin naman natin kasama yung paa. When we do the right hand, ganito tayo. We will jump like this. Then yung left natin nasa forward siya. Okay, so 1. Then we will not change this for the 2. And then change, open. 3. Yung hand natin, open to. 3. And then 4. Okay? Pero yung bilang niya hindi siya 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1 and 2 and. Okay? Let's do the combine with the arms and the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Alright? Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Alright? Then next step, close fit with this. Close fit. Tapos nandito yung right arm natin. Then left arm natin nandito. 3 and. So we will grab this and 4 and N. Okay, so we will do the 4 and N because yung bilang nun is kakapusin tayo. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 and 4 and N. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in. Alright, next step. So we will do the body roll and pump. So dito, ganito, ihagis natin to. Boom. Alright, so boom. Sa. Okay, then cross. Alright, from here again, body roll and cross. Okay, so pag cross natin na ganito, grab na agad natin ito. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, body roll, and boom. Okay, and then next step, angat natin to, kung may abs tayo, angat to back. So we will do the body roll also dito sa hips natin. 1, 2, okay, so 1, 2, okay, muna tayo. So let's do that from the top, bilangan lang natin, mabagal lang. 5, from here, extra 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Body roll. 6, 7, 8. Okay, next step. Yung right foot natin, dito siya. And then yung arm naman natin, dito. Right? So, it's like 1. And then next, 2. Open lang. 2. And then, wave, ha. Okay? So, wave, ha. Naman tayo. 5, 6. From, start tayo ulit nito. 7, 8. 1, 2. Then, yung left natin, dito lang siya. And then, wave, 3. Okay? And then, next na tayo. And, so you have to jump your, from dito, jump tayo, ha. Yung kamay naman natin, roll tayo dito, ha. So, ha. Yung right natin ito, ha. Okay? So, chest out, ha, ha. Okay? Doon muna tayo sa 4 counts. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, wave, and up, dibdib, and balik. Dito tayo. Close feet, and then dito lang, bebelo tayo ng smash. Up again, parang yung sa go crazy lang natin. Tapos nakataas, nakatingkayad ito. So, nakatingkayad tayo dito. Okay? Up, and then smash. Okay? Yan muna tayo. 5, 6, dito tayo. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and then roll. Kuha. Pag roll natin dito, sige, lagay na natin yung kamay natin dito para makabuelo tayo. Ha, up, and then close. And then buelo ng smash, and then close. Okay, so countings tayo. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? 5, 6, and then next step tayo. 7, sa left muna tayo. 7, and 8. Okay? Left, right, left, right. Okay? Left, right, left, right. Yung paa naman natin, left, right. Okay? Left, right. Okay? So, yung kamay, 7, 8. Together with the legs, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right. Alright? I-combine natin doon. 5, 6. Dito tayo galing. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Smash. Smash. Left, right, left, right. Alright? Okay, so after na tayo nito, and then angat lang, up lang tayo. So nakabend tayo dito. We have to bend our knees here. And then ha, 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 up, and then boom. Parang salute lang, parang katriona ulit. Pero this is imagine. Okay? And then, after nito, you have to stretch from here and then pull. And then, continue na natin. Down, pull, and then right, left. Okay, so start muna tayo. From dito muna tayo. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, wave, ready, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, attack, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? So from the top muna tayo, recall muna natin hanggang dito muna tayo. Okay? 5, 6, dito, snap tayo ha. Oh, snap tayo doon. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, back again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Body roll. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? Continue. 4. So after nito, yung paa natin, jump tayo, iwan yung left. Okay? So, here, and iwan yung left. Again, here, and iwan yung left. Okay? Yung sa kamay naman natin, pag jump natin, ha! So, parang wave lang tayo ng kamay. Boom! Okay? So, from here, pagdating natin dito, ha! Jump tayo ng ganito lang, naka-open lang yung legs, and then dito yung kamay. Ha, ha. Okay? Usually, yung ginagawa nila dito tatlo. Tug, tug, tug. So, ayoko na humabol kayo para makaabot kayo sa steps kasi medyo mahirap yung pag-turn natin nun. So, gawin natin dalawa lang. Okay? Jump tayo. Jump tayo ulit dito. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave. And jump, jump. Okay? The next step, jump ulit tayo. Ready ng wave. Wave. Okay? So, yung left and right, yung left natin sa ilalim, yung right natin sa ibabaw. Ready ng wave. And then wave. So, wave lang. And then yung katawan natin, turn lang natin dito. Okay? So, wave, turn. Pag ikot natin dito, change ulit tayo ng paa. Yung right natin yung nandito. And then left, dito sa kabila. Okay? Pag ganito natin dito, pag jump natin, automatic may hawak tayo na soft drinks or in can. Okay? In can. And then down first. And then open. Okay? And then boom. Ha. Body roll or any freestyle. Tug. Ta. Tug. Ta. Okay? Okay, so balikan ulit natin from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump wave. And boom. Boom. Jump ulit. And then, ready. Pagtalikod, jump ulit. Hawak na in can. Naka-up tong kamay. Huwag niyo ibaba. Up. And then, down. Up. Boom. Freestyle. Okay? So, let's do this from the top. Ready? Countings tayo. Mabagal lang. From, snap. Don't forget, snap. Okay? Alright. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back again. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, wave. Ha, ha. Up, down, left, right. And sa, ha, ta, ta. Down, up, right, left, and jump wave, left, right, and jump ready wave, ha, and hawak coke, wave, freestyle, okay? Okay, so let's try this from the top. So, yung mga hindi pa nakakahabol, balikan nyo lang ulit yung video sa mga kaya na. Anyway, magpe-play naman tayo ng next video na may music. So, pwede kayong sumabay doon. So, lalagyan natin ng slow-mo, and then faster, and then the normal tempo. Okay? So, let's try from the top. Normal tempo tayo. Countings lang. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and then 5. 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tug, tug, ha, ha, whoo. Pa, pa, whoo. Cha, tug, cha, whoo. Back again. Okay? So, let's try with the music. Okay, so guys, mabilis lang yung music natin. So, alert tayo pag play. Go! Go! Ha! 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 Tada! Tada! Hu! Alright? So that's it guys, we're done with our tutorial. So sa mga gusto pa mag-proceed dun sa music, meron tayong next video na may music ng slow-mo, faster, and then the normal tempo. So kung gusto nyo sumabay dun, just go to the next video. And sa mga beginners na mga hindi pa nakakuha, balik-balikan nyo lang step para mas mabilis nyo siyang makuha. Hindi kayo pwede mag-proceed dun nang hindi nyo pa nakukuha yung step by step kasi mahirapan talaga kayo. That is for the advanced dancers. Okay? So guys, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please leave a like. And if you want to learn another dance routine for the next trending video, so just let me know. So I'm thinking of Dynamite of BTS. If you want that, just shoot a comment para yun yung next natin na gagawin na dance tutorial. Okay? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.
Back again. Once he go black, he'll be back again. Tell him